Hello everyone, welcome to Cupid's Cooking. And today I'm very excited to share with you my kids' favorite recipes. First, we're gonna make the 4 ingredients eggless banana fritters, followed by the 5 ingredients eggless crunchy chocolate donuts. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you can get the latest update on our exciting videos. And for the banana fritters, we need 5 overripe bananas. Overripe bananas are so delicious and it will give extra sweetness to your fritters. And it will also save you from adding more sugar. We also need all-purpose flour, rice crisp. If you do not have this, don't worry, you can simply remove it. And of course, 3 tablespoons of sugar. You may use either white or brown sugar for this recipe. So let's start cooking. In a bowl, mash the bananas and add sugar, all-purpose flour, and rice crisp. Stir until well combined. Please do not overmix your mixture. Next, heat the pan over medium heat and brush the pan with butter. Pour half a cup of banana mixture into the pan and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes per side. You may also add chocolate chips on top while cooking the fritters. Slide it on a plate lined with kitchen paper. Repeat the process for the rest of the mixture. Serve it with your favorite fruit sauces and chocolate syrup. And for our crunchy chocolate donuts, we need 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 5 tablespoons of fresh milk, 70 grams of sweet condensed milk, 150 grams of Nutella, and 1/4 cup of panko breadcrumbs. Let's combine our ingredients by adding in a bowl all-purpose flour, Nutella, and condensed milk. Give it a quick stir. Slowly pour the fresh milk and continue stirring until the mixture forms a thick paste. Scoop about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of mixture and form it into rounds. Roll it in panko breadcrumbs. Make sure it is well coated. Repeat the process for the rest of the mixture. Once your donuts are ready, heat the oil in a pan over medium heat. Drop the coated donuts and fry for 3 to 5 minutes until the breadcrumbs turns golden. Do not overcrowd your pan because the temperature of the oil will drop. Slide them on a plate lined with kitchen paper. Crunchy chocolate donuts are best served with caramel sauce, cream cheese, and chocolate syrup. Thank you for watching and see you again next time. Bye bye!